Hey there, you lovely people. Welcome to my channel Everyday Life Yoga and Naturopathy. Before taking this video further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon. So today, in this video, we are talking about treatment by sun element. And if you want to know the benefits of it, then watch the video till the end. In this video, I will tell you how sunlight is beneficial in fighting against coronavirus. Sun is one of the 5 elements which are behind the creation. The Shastras have laid down the rules how to worship sun god. In Rig Veda, sun element is worshipped as the personification of God. In Gayatri Mantra also, sun element is worshipped. Even today, Hindus and Parsis regard sun as God. Namah Surya Shantay Sarvarog Vinashine Ayurogya Mashvarya Dehi Dev Namostute. O Sun God, who gives peace and destroys all diseases, I salute you. O Sun God, give me good health and fame, I salute you. In Yajurveda it is written, Chakshu Surya Reja Yat. Sun is the eye of God. Thus we see that there are many riches in Vedas about the worship of sun. We have been worshipping Sun and Agni Devta since ancient times. In Rome, Greece and Egypt, also Sun has been regarded as God. In Japan, there are many Sun temples. In South America also, there is a big Sun temple. In Shastras, Sunday is regarded as the day of Sun. It is written that if any devotee observes fast according to the rules on Sundays for 12 years, he achieves salvation. Since ancient times, Hindus have been observing fast on Sundays. It is sun which gives beauty and life in the world. Flowers blossom because of sun. Fruits ripen and medical herbs gain their curative power. It is sun which converts the water in the oceans into clouds which provide water to the earth. If the body does not have enough sun element, it becomes lifeless and suffers from many ailments such as lethargy, gout, constipation, paralysis, lack of appetite, cold, requirement of too much sleep, etc. The urine becomes yellow and the taste of mouth becomes bitter. The person becomes irritable and angry. There is dryness in all parts of his body and the person feels thirsty. तो आइए जाने सूर्य की किरणें कैसे हमें कोरोना वायरस से बचा सकती हैं। कोरोना वायरस से बचने के लिए we need to strengthen the immune system. Strong association studies have found that vitamin D is very important in signaling the immune system. It appears to be necessary in adequate amounts to turn on your ability to survey the rest of your cells. Since regular sun exposure is one of the most robust ways to up active vitamin D levels in your body, it can help beef up your immune system as well. Sunbathing, जो सबसे अच्छा तरीका है किसी भी वायरस किसी भी डिजीज से फाइट करने का. It is good against coronavirus also. रिसर्चर्स ने कहा कि ये वायरस 27 डिग्री से ऊपर सरवाइव नहीं कर सकता. इसका मतलब गर्मी में ये वायरस मर जाता है. शरीर को अंदर से गर्म रखने में सबसे ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है सन बेदिंग. मतलब शरीर को 20 मिनट के लिए कॉटन कपड़े पहनकर धूप में बैठें और धूप दिखाएं. जब कभी हमारे फ़ोन में मॉइस्चर पाया गया तो हमने उसे सनलाइट में रखा ताकि उसका मॉइस्चर ख़त्म हो जाए और एक एनर्जी लेवल बढ़ जाए. क्योंकि सूर्य की रोशनी एक नेचुरल डिसइंफेक्टेंट है जो जड़ तक पहुंचती है और अंदर के वायरस को नष्ट करती है. सनलाइट इज द बेस्ट प्रोटेक्टिव शील्ड टू फाइट अगेंस्ट एनी डिजीज एंड एनी वायरस. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे मेरे घर पर सूर्य की रोशनी तो आती ही नहीं, तो आप अपने टेरेस पर तो आती होगी. तो आप रोज सुबह उठें और कॉटन क्लोथ्स पहनकर वहाँ थोड़ा ब्रिस्क वॉक करें. इसको कहते हैं वॉकिंग सनबेथ एंड डू सम एक्सरसाइजेस. फिर एक्सरसाइज करने के बाद वहाँ थोड़ी देर बैठें एंड ओम चैंटिंग करें. इट विल गिव यू विल पावर एंड एनर्जी एंड ऑल्सो विल कीप यू पॉजिटिव. अब अब देखते हैं सन बेदिंग कैसे करें। While taking sun bath, head should be protected from sunlight. It should be kept in shadow or it should be covered by wet cloth. Before taking sunbathe, head, face and neck should be washed. Do not take sunbathe in very strong sunlight. The best time to take sunbathe is early morning or in the evening. तो आप जब भी सनबेदिंग लें तो बिल्कुल सुबह लें या बिल्कुल शाम को लें, जब सन की रेज जो हैं बहुत जेंटल होती हैं। द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ सनबेथ शुड बी इंक्रीज ग्रेजुअली। आप इसे धीरे धीरे बढ़ाएं। अगर कोई भी कमज़ोर व्यक्ति है तो वो 7 मिनट से स्टार्ट करें। सनबेथ इन द विंटर और 3 मिनट सनबेथ इन द समर। All parts of body should be exposed to sunlight. Sunbath should be taken in an open space where there is no strong wind. After sunbath, one should take a bath with cold water or wipe all parts of body with a wet towel. After this, one should walk briskly for some time. One should take sunbath regularly, means every day. In India, the best time of taking the sun bath is between 12 noon to 2 p.m. in winter and between 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. और between 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. in the summer. अब जैसे जैसे हमारे यहाँ गर्मी बढ़ती जा रही है तो आप 8 से 10 बजे तक ले सकते हैं। तब भी मैं यह कहूँगी कि ये बहुत ही लेट है। आप जैसे ही सूर्य उदय हो तब लें थोड़ी देर के लिए। Those who are suffering from heart problems or those who have fever should not take sunbath. जब आप सन बेथिंग करते हैं तो ये आपको एक अच्छी नींद भी देता है। आइए देखें कैसे। आपकी आंखों को रोशनी की ज़रूरत होती है ताकि वो आपके बॉडी इंटरनल क्लॉक को सेट कर सके। अर्ली मॉर्निंग सनलाइट इन पर्टिकुलर सीम्स टू हेल्प पीपल गेट टू स्लीप एट नाइट। दिस मे बी मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट एज यू एज। जैसे जैसे आपकी एज बढ़ती चली जाती है ये चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी बन जाती है, because your eyes are less able to take in light and you are more likely to have problems going to sleep. और ये भी कहा जाता है that it helps people keep the fat off. You need 20 to 30 minutes between 8 a.m. and noon to make a difference. But the earlier you get it, the better it seems to work. Scientists think the sun rays may shrink fat cells below your skin surface. More sunshine means you are probably getting more exercise too, which is good for you in lots of ways, including shedding pounds. Therefore, sunlight is the panacea treatment for any disease. I hope you like the information that I shared with you, and this sunlight will help you to fight with coronavirus. Please see the doctor inside your home only. There are so many things in nature that will help you to fight any disease. And if you like the information that I shared with you, please press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.